And I've added a really awesome vocal sample to the beat. What's up guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. I'm 7beats, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome beat for Drake. So first I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome chord progression. Afterwards, add some more elements and add a bass line. After that I'm going to add some drums, and afterwards I'm going to guide you through the final arrangement. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first I'm going to start off by adjusting the tempo. So I think it will be 180 BPM or 90, what you prefer. And I'm going to start off with a piano, and I'm going to use the Arturia Piano V2. So I'm using the American Concert preset, this one. So I'm going to start off with a really simple jazzy chord progression. And right now I'm going to match some root notes. So I think a G flat right here and this F sharp. I really like this part of the chord progression. So we're gonna add this B flat right here. And I think this A sharp. I think A flat right here. So I think right now I'm going to add some root notes. So just copy this part of the melody. B right here. A and a D flat right here. Really awesome jazzy chord progression. So I've played around with the velocity of the notes, and I've strumized the beat. You can do this by pressing Alt S like this. And you can adjust the strength of the note right here. And right now it sounds like this. And I think I'm going to just add another layer. So I'm using Analog Lab 5. So I found this really awesome Ambiotica preset. And I think it goes really well together with the piano. So just turn down the brightness, I think. And I think I'm going to add something like a bass shot, I think. So that's the beginning of the chord progression. So I think it should be something like this. So I think I'm going to make an adjustment to the melody right here. So right now I'm going to add some drums. So I will just start off with this simple snare. Maybe just turn it up to D flat right here. This way it pops out, I think. And I think this cowbell should fit really well together with the elements. And I've added this shaker right here. This crash. I think that goes really well together with the bass line. So right now I've created an arrangement and I've added a really awesome vocal sample to the beat. So I found this vocal which is in the same key as the chord progression, and I've time stretched it to the tempo of this project, and I think it goes really well together. And I've also added this effect right here. Just a really simple effect loop. And right here I've added another loop. Just a head loop with a lot of reverb. And it fits perfect with all the drums. And as you can hear, I've added some swing, which adds some bounce to the beat. So right here, the main beat is basically repeating. And right here, I've added some effects, which I think are really awesome. So the snare. So it's this element right here. And I've added a lot of reverb. I've used the Valhalla Vintage Verb. And I've added this bass line right here. I've made it with Serum. It's just a really simple preset. It goes really well together with the piano and the other chord progression. Just really the bridge bar of the beat. And right here I've added this effect. Which I think also goes really well together with the snare. Just to add some more ambience to this beat, I think. And right here the beat is basically repeating. But I've added the bass drum right here. And right here I switched up the vocal sample. So combining it with the chord progressions. And the bass line. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what you think of this beat, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.